Well, I got fooled the other day. I thought there was plenty of green on the other bucket of red potatoes, but it turns out it's just, as you can see, the stalks from this one and that one there that have fallen over. And down in there is another bucket, and that's the second bucket of red Norland. So I'm going to dig that out of there and do a harvest on that. I'll be back in a minute. There's what it really looked like underneath all the branches from the other potatoes. So I'm going to clip those tops off, move it over to my tarp set up over there, and see what's in there. This one was a little heavier because I watered them last night thinking that there was still growth. But here we go. They're jumping out at me. Okay. Ooh, nice ones. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, there's what I got. Again, this was one bag of 4 seed potatoes, red Norland variety. And I would say I have roughly the same number as the other bag, except these are considerably larger for the most part. Look at the size of these two. My goodness, those are big for red potato. So, I'm quite pleased with that. Thank you for watching.